Hi, I'm back in Singapore. Chinese New Year is just around the corner, so going to Chinatown to see the lights up is a yearly affair for me. So where am I? Chinatown, of course. This Chinese New Year 2022 is the year of the tiger, and people born in the year of the tiger are competitive, self-confident, independent, and brave. Some of the famous people born in the year of the tiger are Queen Elizabeth, Lady Gaga, Marilyn Monroe, and Leonardo DiCaprio. Well, let's get back to Chinatown. The street market in Chinatown is open for Chinese New Year. You can buy goodies like bok kwa, it's a kind of barbecue meat, pineapple tarts, sweet sticky cake, and festive home decorations like the willow branches, fresh flowers, wall stickers, red packets, etc. So let's continue the walk to discover more. Okay, I believe now you know why I like to come down to Chinatown to soak in the atmosphere for Chinese New Year. I hope you enjoy the walk, and counting on you to subscribe, like, share, and comments. Click on the notification bell so you will be notified when my new videos are up. Wishing all my viewers, subscribers, and their families a happy Lunar New Year 2022.